because he knows me, that's why.
Yeah, he knows you. That's why he goes to you. You see?
Look, he don't bite me.
Yeah, every time I try to touch, he bites. Ah, you see?
Hey,
You see?
yeah, yeah.
Because he knows you. He sees you every day.
Yeah.
Right? That's why. Wow. You see?
Hey, 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 hey.
Come on, say hi. Say hi. Say hello. Huh? What?
Go. He said no.
No, he doesn't want to come. He doesn't want to come. He doesn't want to come to me. Nice, man. They look beautiful.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
They look beautiful.
Stop biting. Stop biting.
They look beautiful. Where's the other one? There's a blue one here. You sold it?
No, the blue one and the film.
Oh.
There is a red one and the blue one. No, this bird don't sell at all.
No, people don't buy it?
No.
Why?
Because the problem is they scream.
Oh, they scream.
You see how he scream now?
Right,
he
right.
Bit me. Look at my finger, huh? You see?
Right.
He just bit me right now. Even he know me.